Have you ever wondered what it's like to sleep inside a piece of Scottish history? Welcome to the Stirling Highland Hotel. This isn't just a luxury stay. It's a journey back to 1854. Originally built as the city's high school, this massive Victorian building is the gateway to the Highlands. You can still feel the academic heritage everywhere. From the headmaster's study bar to the award-winning Scholars Restaurant, which serves traditional and international gourmet cuisine. But the real crown jewel, high above the roof, is a fully working 19th century observatory. It was gifted to the school in 1889, and yes, on clear nights, you can still use it to gaze at the Scottish stars. Now let's talk about where you'll be resting. The hotel features 96 rooms that blend traditional charm with modern comfort. The thick stone walls and high ceilings are reminders of the building's past. The rooms that the hotel offers are standard double room, standard double or twin room, and deluxe double room. After a day of exploring, the Highland Spa is the perfect retreat. There's a heated indoor pool and a sauna, which will help you relax. The location is unbeatable. The hotel is just a 10-minute walk from the mighty Stirling Castle and right next door to the historic Old Town Jail. Stirling Bridge, where William Wallace once battled the English knights, is a 20-minute walk away. Other landmarks at close proximity are King's Park and Wallace Monument. Central Stirling can be reached in 5 minutes on foot, and the rail station is a 10-minute walk from the Highland Hotel. Whether you're a history buff or just looking for a cozy Scottish escape, Hotel Stirling Highland is a must-visit. Check the link in the description to book your stay. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more heritage hotel tours.